This is good enough for now. We'll get the wheels straight. All right, so run up. What do you got?
All right, brakes.
We got good brakes. Fuel is on both. It's on. It's the only way it can go.
Okay. Trim, takeoff.
Trim, takeoff. Good.
Flight controls.
Flight controls. This is where I'm really moving them the whole way. Good. In and out.
Okay.
Good.
All right. Instruments.
Instruments are set. We'll check them again. We're on 3-2 now. We could tweak that a little bit. 3-2, and we know we got our altimeter set. Good.
Okay. Mixture, best power.
Okay, we're going to go through all that.
1800 RPM.
Okay, so we're going to put our mixture back in because we got it leaned out. We want all the gas we can get.
Okay.
So we're going to push this in.
Okay.
We're going to bring this up to 1800, and I got the brakes on. Let me shut this door, otherwise it's going to get a weird sound. There's 1800. I'm going to turn off one mag. Little drop, back to both.
Okay.
One more mag. Little drop, back to both. Propeller.
Okay. Yep, propeller cycle.
1. See the drop there in RPM?
Okay.
2. And we see a manifold pressure rise.
Yep.
And 3.
Okay.
So we're putting oil into the propeller to turn it.
Okay.
Okay, vacuum right here is good.
Amps, volts.
Amps, volts down here, right in the middle. It's charging, a little higher than center.
Okay.
Fuel flow, 4.8. Oil pressure, temp, pressure is good.
Okay, idle, check, close.
Okay, we are back to idle. We'll go ahead and fire up our other camera because we are ready to roll here.
Throttle friction.
So remember to keep your feet, either hovering over mine.
Yep.
Don't block me from pushing them, but you don't want to also bring them up and lock me out here because if we get a little gust and I got to go like that, and your knees under there.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to switch to the tower, and.
Is this okay right here?
That's fine. You'll see. As long as you see, if it bumps, you just move them.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to ease up to the line. Nobody to our right.
Yep, clear on the right.
There's our picture right there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Okay, we're on tower. We're going to go ahead and put our nav lights on. And you ready for takeoff? Now pre-takeoff. Pre-takeoff. Flaps.
Yep.
10% right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Prop.
Yep.
Okay, mixture.
Yep.
Power.
Yep.
Pilot heat. As
Pitot heat.
requested.
Yep. Windows closed. Doors are locked. Seatbelts on.
Heading bug.
Yep.
Doors,
That's
windows, landing light.
Strobes we're going to turn on in 1 second. Yep. And we're good.
Brakes. Okay.
All right, so hang on to that one.
Okay.
All right, here comes our call. He's going to call us and say.
Brakes.
Kind of 7, Whiskey Papa, runway 4, clear takeoff, right turn on course.
Clear for takeoff, runway 4, right turn out on course, 737 Whiskey Pop. And we're looking at that windsock, which is not really doing much now. It's just flopped down.
Yep.
So we'll get her lined up on the runway center line. Now, when you give it throttle, there's torque to the engine, so you got to push the right rudder pedal in, otherwise you go to the left.
Clear for takeoff.
Did you just say that?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, yeah. All right, so we're looking for our 65. Power's good, pressure's good. And we're rotating. Gears coming up. Pumps on. Gears up, looking at, they swinging?
Yep, they're swinging. They are in.
Up.
Yep,
They're up.
Oh, that's probably what we were smelling.
What is it? Oh yeah, burning it or...
Yep.
Cessna 12 X-ray, down to ground, runway 4, via
I'll start our turnout here. Yep, he's on his downwind.
Yep.
I'm leaving the pattern. this is about an easterly heading. Right there, boom, east. Out of town. A little bit more nose up, climb, get some altitude here.